What else do you need here?
Olives. Come say goodbye. Come say goodbye.
I'm gonna get divorced, but I'm just saying that. Guys, sumakit yung tiyan ko. Is that position, baby? Do you want to go out? Is that what you want? Do you wanna go out? You're here. Andito ako sa sasakyan, guys. Tignan nyo naman tong mukha ko. Mukhang agurod-agurod pa rin. Agurod itong mukha ko, guys. Tignan nyo itong asawa ko. Garbage bill man. He picked up the garbage bill man.
Nominated for 8 Academy Awards, here's MaryAnn.A reporting live. After falling fully into correction territory 1 week and 1 day ago today, Wall Street has turned things around with some consistency. We have had 5 winning sessions in a row for the market. And until about an hour ago, it looked like we may be headed for 7. NASDAQ futures losing 25, Dow futures off 69 points. U.S. new home construction rose in January to the highest level since October 2016, helped by a surge in apartment building as momentum in the housing market continues into the new year. Bloomberg Money Watch at 26 and 56 past every hour. I'm Andrew O'Day. 10-10 wins. Wins News Time, 9:27.
I talked about people facing insurmountable odds and overcoming them.
This target to the hottest project we ever worked on.
He is a definition of a filmmaker.
For your consideration, rated PG-13, may be inappropriate for children under 13.
Good Friday morning. This is John Long.
No wonder it's the highest-ranked minivan in initial quality by Jason. Well-qualified car lessees of competitive. Call 1-888-Chrysler for these details. Requires dealer contribution on lease through Ally. 20-cent charge for each mile over 11,250. Resident
Down 8 points. Right now, Dow Industrials are losing 32. Market index 10-10 wins with Bloomberg Money Watch reports at 56 and 26.
Hi guys. This is my life, guys, and I'm gonna miss him again, guys, because he is working and I'm going to the house. Hello, baby. Hello. Misty doesn't know what to do. Hello, baby. Hello. Hello. Hello, Hello. Crush. You put the top one, whatever you put in the top one.
I put the one on the side by itself, is like, if I can't get one more on top, obviously. They all have dates on them.
I don't know dates.
Oh, sorry.
So you should be like putting it whatever the old one is going up.
That's why I put it in a logical way.
Okay, so what do you need? Do you have celery here?
Yes.
Where?
It's in the bag. Oh, I have the sandwiches.
What else do you need to put with that? That's it, right?
There'll be another celery in there and bags of independent sticks.
What else do you need here?
Olives.
Throw this shit out. Where is olive? Would you want olive, son?
Yeah. And the tuna fish.
Where's the olive?
It's on top shelf.
Top shelf?
In the back. Fine.
And then carrots? No, I'm not gonna add
No,
carrots.
I don't use that.
Look at this guy. Hi, guy. Guy!
You're very thin, so.
Nanggahi na kung naong, guys. Nanggahi. Nanggahi. Han!
What?
My face is nanggahi.
Your face is Tangahi?
Yeah, nanggahi.
Nangahi.
Nanggahi. Hi. Say it. Hi.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Nanggahi. Sit.
Nangahit? Hey, sit. Hey, wait.
You're crazy. You spoil them.
Make a start.
You spoil them. Hi guys, nagluluto ako guys ng leftover sticky. Steak, oh. What rice do you have here?
You have white rice, you have the yellow rice. White rice in a container, and yellow rice.
That's the white rice that I cooked?
Yep, the yellow rice in a styrofoam.
Say bye-bye to Dada.
Bye, monkey girl. Monkey girl.
Bye-bye to Dada. Don't look at me. We always spend time together all the time. Well, not really because Mom is always on the laptop.
Puppy. What? What?
Sit.
Come here. Well, you tail waggling, but you're not coming.
Yeah.
And you just always there. No matter what, you're always there.
Yeah. Tom is going to work, guys. And we will see him Monday.
Okay?
Monday.
Bye, puppy. Come say goodbye. Come say goodbye. Don't give me that snooty look. Fine. Bye, big girl. Bye, big girl.
I love you, Han. See you Monday. Ito yung live ko dito, guys. Sa mga bago kong viewers na nakakilala sa akin, mga nakakilala talaga sa akin, hello sa inyo. And ito yung live ko. Welcome to my life. Welcome sa live ko. And ito na yun. Girl, we're going home. We're going home. Good girl rocks. What a good girls. Okay. We're gonna see Dimpled. Humpty Bug. We're going to see your Dimple. Hanap di Buggy. Yeah, we're gonna see Dimple. Hanap di Buggy. We're going to Six Dada, okay? We have to turn the light on. And are you ready, Rox? Are you ready? Is Roxy ready? Ametical's ready too. Yes. Let's go. Let's go, Rocky. Yay. Mama doesn't have a seatbelt on. Yay. Nako kayong dalawa talaga. Kahit nasa sasakyan, mag-aw-aw pa rin. Ganon ba yun? Ay, naku, Misty, my head is killing me, bebe. Time check, it's 5:58 na ng hapon, guys. And sa, ano bang mga ganap-ganap dyan? Paano ba yun mga pag-video, guys? Hello, guys, we are here. We're home. Ba't parang blue ko? Bakit parang may pagka-bluish itong mukhi ko? Hobbs, enough with that. Enough ko, Hobbs. Wow, you are badlungon, oy. Badlungon, Habsi Bag. Si Sophie daraga ko. Nagawala. Ganyan yan, guys. Kapag makauwi na ako, ang ginagawa niya, nagpaso-paso, dagan-dagan, murag taling. Nasira yung minggo. Isa na lang yung natira, nasira pa. Ay, itatapon ko na lang ito. Yan. And also, nagluluto ako, guys. I'm boiling. This is how I cook string beans. I told you already, I boil water. I cook it with a lot of garlic. and garlic. This is why Roxy loved to be in this house, because she's already in the couch. And the other house, you know, because the couch is, we don't have the couch over there, we have the little chair. But she's so happy, guys, when I told her that let's go. Alam niyo ba, si Roxy tumatakbo patungo sa pintuan at saka gusto niyang pumunta na sa sasakyan. So ito siya, ito sila. Yung mga laruan naman andito. So ito ang mga babies ni mama nila, oh. Mga babies, tignan nyo, paboritong spot ni Roxy, the couch. Kaya may mga cover. May mga cover. I saw somebody over there. Tignan nyo, oh, the cat. You love your Rox. You don't eat your dindin. Go in your dindin. You stay in your dindin. Also, nagluluto ako ng rice. Last na itong jasmine. At ayaw ko na talaga bumili ng jasmine, guys. Sobrang mahal. Gusto ko na lang regular rice na kasi pag jasmine sobrang mahal. And so yun lang yung gagawin ko, guys. I am cooking. And hold on, I'm going to charge my laptop because I need to do my video. My stomach cold and nag-check. Sabi pa ng ina niya, yung asawa mo, kinuha ako, dinrap, saka tumakbo na palabas. Always, palagi naman yan siya ganyan. Kasi alis daw ako nagmamadali. I always in a hurry, guys, driving back here. Traffic, especially like that hour. Yung traffic talaga. Tumawag yung asawa ko and yun na lang yung mga balita-balita. And I miss him though. I always miss him, guys. And I asked him, did you miss me? And he said, of course. Mag-snow na naman daw bukas, guys. Hindi ko alam. Pero sabi pa, snow daw bukas. Tignan natin. Ito na, guys. Yung string beans ko. I boiled it. And then a lot of garlic, onion, and garlic powder and onion powder. And then yun, a little soy in it. So yun lang. Sarap nito, guys, as in. At saka ground pepper. Or like, you know, yung peppercorn at saka you grind it freshly. Okay na lang. Okay na to. Sana. Tignan nyo yun itong si Roxy at saka si Miss, diba? Hello. Why you don't listen? I said behave. Hard head. Come over here. Sit up. Sit. Roxy, sit. Sit. Listen to mama. You sit down. Roxy, sit. That's not a sit. That's not sit. That's suit. Oh.
Here they come. To remove the maggots, we have to use tweezers.
Why you don't listen?
And so we pluck them off.
Go eat your dindin. You and Misty need to eat the dindin. Go eat the dindin. No. You need to go eat the dindin. Yes. You eat the dindin. Oh. Punta lang ako sa taas dahil blue naman ako eh. Kasi may light kasi doon na blue yung basta may light na blue kaya blue ako. I got something from 2CVS to different store because I went to the other store because wala silang yung binili ko, wala sila yung gusto kong bilhin, wala. So I got this Super Stay na foundation. I'm going to review this tomorrow. It's probably, you've seen this already in my other channel, guys. When I was looking what shade, the shade that match my skin, so hindi ko alam kung anong shade na talagang match sa skin ko. So I just kind of guessing. I'm just guessing what I have to get. So I get the 220 natural beige. So yun ang kinuha ko. So it's kind of, I don't know. I will, hello, ano ba to? I'm gonna open this tomorrow because I'm not gonna open it yet. And also, I get another eyebrow pencil because yung eyebrow pencil na binili ko, it's done. And I don't have really a good brow pencil. So, I got this Maybelline. And also, guys, I will let you know, this is Maybelline also, the foundation. And this one, I had an brow pencil, a Maybelline also. And this is in the shade of Blonde. 250. So I got this one. Let's see, I hope it's nice color because I don't like that reddish color brow. I want it's like ashy kind. And also, guys, I'm also going to review this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow. I think I'm going to end this vlog, and thank you all guys so much for watching this video. And yeah, it sucks, guys, honestly, guys. Look, did you hear the news, guys, about Jennifer Aniston and her husband? They've been married for 2 years. They got divorced because of, you know, because of they're not living together. And I'm not saying I'm gonna get divorced, but I'm just saying that living separately, it makes your feelings go away, even though you care that person. And maano talaga, guys, mawawala talaga yung feeling slowly but surely. And it's true. And that's what I told to Tommy, na I really gusto ko talagang kahit even like, you know, 1 week dun kami sa isang bahay, kasi andun naman talaga siya, guys, sa isang bahay nag-stay dahil nandun pa yung bahay, hindi pa naman yan nabibinta. So that's why he stayed over there than here, because over there it's closer from his work. Kakaiba talaga, guys, kahit mahal nyo pa yung isa't isa, and then hindi kayo nakatira. Kasi mag-1 year na kasi, guys, hindi kami magkasama ng asawa ko this coming April. I mean, nagkikita naman kami, diba? Nagkikita naman kami palagi. Pero iba pa rin, guys, like, magkikita kami, twice a week. So, okay lang naman, diba? Pero yung kan Jennifer, kasi hindi sila nakikita. Si Jennifer Aniston, ikukumpara ko talaga yung sarili ko kay Jennifer Aniston. Kasi andun siya sa Los Angeles, and then yung husband niya andito sa New York. So yun, sinabi ko lang yun kasi naman kahit mahal niyo isa't isa at malayo talaga kayo, buti na lang sa akin, guys, kasi magkikita-kita kami. Kung may choice naman akong pumunta doon. Pero yung talagang gusto kong every night I see my husband, I sleep with my husband. You know, yung feeling na yun, so nawawala. Pero guys, hindi naman ito permanent. And saka, so yun lang. And I appreciate your time, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. And sana, yeah, just really thank you so much. And I'm going to end this vlog. You can see my green screen, right? My green screen is right there. Remember, I put it in front of me here before, and I decide I'm going to decide to hang fairy lights over here. So there is lights when I'm, you know, something over here that I will hang to make it more printable. Sana babalik kayo sa channel na to, and thank you. I will see you guys in my next video. Please give me a thumbs up if you do like this video, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. It's right there. It's right here. Subscribe button under there. And also, meron siyang notification bell. Click nyo lang yun, guys, para ma-notify kayo na nag-upload ako ng video. Bye, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Good night. Bye-bye.